Hi guys, just a quick video here about the types of angles that you can use for the purpose of doing these high ticket product launch promotions. Okay, so what we're doing is we're basically setting up some checklists like these that you can see here. Okay, you can see this is a ClickBank affiliate marketing hacks checklist here, and basically what you can do with LeadBlasta is you can create these checklists so that you've got videos embedded, and you can put in here some step-by-step guides and instructions, etc. Now this one here is actually kind of big, and I've made this into a resource. If this was a blog post, it would be an epic blog post, it would be absolutely massive, but because we can put this into a Chrome extension, we can make it really useful, that people want to be able to get a hold of this, and so that they will keep referring back to it as well. Because the key thing with this is that we can do some advertising in here. We've got multiple places where we can put hypertext links, we can put banner ads in here, we can embed videos, and we can do so much more. Okay, so you can see here, this one is actually a banner ad here. I've got so many Chrome extensions open right now, and I've got a lot of programs open on my computer that's kind of slowing the progress of that opening, but we are about to move into a different server, which will make this hopefully a lot faster as well. Okay, so this is basically one way that we can do it. You can see here this ClickBank affiliate marketing checklist is all about a broad topic of ClickBank affiliate marketing. Okay, there's no specific product, and that means that I can go and promote multiple products. I can change the products I promote anytime. Okay, so that's a different example of how we can do this. So you're putting up here evergreen assets that are maybe about how to build an email list, or how to run an affiliate campaign, or how to set up a landing page, or how to use LeadBlasta that you don't need a damn landing page, and how to basically build an email list from this. Because basically what we do here is people will install this Chrome extension, they go to open it, they're presented with an email gate where they have to submit an email so that they can use the application, and we have a very, very high conversion rate at that point. We've literally got some Chrome extensions that have got thousands of users, absolutely thousands of users. I'll show you, for example, this one here. It's actually a lot more than what it will say here, because it will say here that we got 10,000 plus users. It won't tell me again until probably after 15 or 20,000 that we've got more, because right now we're actually at 11,500 the last time that I looked. Okay, so that's a hell of a difference from 10,000 and 11,500. Now here's the thing about these pages rank really well. Okay, so these Chrome extensions, you can put them together as complicated as you want. They can take you a whole day and a half to build them, or you can build them very, very simply, where you just copy and paste stuff from a JV page that might take you maybe 30 minutes to do. Okay, so it's entirely up to you. And the thing is that once you start to put these together, these Chrome extensions, then what happens is you will get users coming in, and you can ask them for like the telephone number to send them SMS. They are automatically added into a push notifications list, so that whenever you want, you can send them a push notification, even if they try to give you a fake email, which we have some inbuilt fail-safe stuff for that as well if you want to use them. But even in that situation, you are able to reach them via push notification, because you can send push notification right into that Google account that they used to install your Chrome extension. So how do we know the Chrome extensions are getting installed? Well, if I come in here, you can see this here. We're actually 11,705. Okay, 11,705 users in here for this Chrome extension. This is coming from the Chrome store itself. This is the developer dashboard. I can't make that up. Okay, that is the amount of people. And yesterday this was about 11,480 or something, and today it's like 11,700. And you can see how fast these build. Okay, and that means even if they try to give me a fake email or a temporary email, something like mailinator.com for example, it would be rejected okay? Or if you're using SendFox like I use, then SendFox would automatically filter that out so that it doesn't damage your email reputation when you're sending out emails. SendFox is a very, very, very good email system, email marketing system, that you can get over at appsumo.com for just $49 one-time fee. I'm telling you that without an affiliate link because it's actually a very good email service provider. I'll go into that in a different video another time. Anyway, so you can see here the ability that you've got if you're building these product launch promotions that are for high ticket stuff and you are doing generic Chrome extensions, you've got that reach. If I want to go and promote a high ticket product today and send them into a pre-launch funnel, I've got immediately here 11,000, probably even a few thousand more between the other ones that I haven't even properly promoted yet, that you can just send them. You can send out traffic and it takes like literally 2 seconds. So anyway, you also got inside LeadBlasta, you've got inside here, you've got a full-blown SMS marketing system. And to be able to build these apps is really very, very, very simple indeed. Okay, so you can see here we've got a different theme here. I can change that theme. I can make it amber light, for example. I can make this one material dark. I've got 43 different themes. Not all of them are nice, I'll admit that, but some of them are actually okay. You can see here, see brown light looks a little bit better, etc. So basically you can see here these different themes. And if I click on apply the theme in here, okay, this one is a D-Day. Let's see if I can find D-Day here. Again, it's going to take a few seconds to load because I've got so many programs open right now in Chrome and in my computer, so I'm trying to clear out my computer to make it faster. But you can see here this is a dark theme that I've just added in here. Let's see it in real time. If I make this into blue and dark, okay, so I'll just click and apply the theme. We'll go to D-Day. You saw it was dark before, and now you can see it in real time when it eventually opens up. The lag time and this is very, very slow. It's not always like this, guys. It's just I've got so much happening with this computer right now. In the background I've got different programs, Camtasia, etc., and I've got a whole bunch of these Chrome extensions open as well, and I've got like 3 windows of tabs open with Chrome as well. So you can see this happens in real time. So anything you want to do in here, any changes you want to make in your categories, for example, so you can put in categories, then you can put in items, and within every item you can actually start to put in some bullet points. So if you want to explain things properly, you can do that. And also, do you see this one here? We've got hyperlink here. You can actually make these clickable links to affiliate programs and products that you want to promote. So you've got a whole bunch of different ways that we can use this. So that's one way, that's one example where you can give them something that's useful. So I've got, for example, YouTube SEO checklist. I've got a penny click YouTube ads recipe checklist I've got as well. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, this one's interesting. You've all heard of appsumo.com probably. Well, what you can do here is get an affiliate approval from them, and you can basically start to put in deals from AppSumo. Okay, lifetime deals. This is what I've done here, lifetime deals. Got links going over to these products with my affiliate link. So there's multiple ways that we can monetize from here, but the key is here that we are building an email list from these applications that we can communicate with these people later, so that you have an email list. You can also get them on an SMS list. If you ask them for a mobile number and tell them it's optional, it will build, but slowly, but still it's a way that you can get people, for example, to come onto a webinar. So that's important as well. Okay, so here's what you can do here is you can build these out in 2 ways. You can build them so that they are based around a topic where you can interchange your products, or you can base them around a specific product launch. It will help you to rank for that specific product launch very, very well. And basically you can do something like this, the commission corporate review that we've seen as an example, and this is ranking at number 1 and it's basically just got very little information. Now we can take this a lot further because we've got those multiple angles, and also you can put some banner ads into these Chrome extensions as well. So I'm doing this video really just with people who are not familiar with the LeadBlasta, because I was talking about it in video 1 and video 2 of the LeadBlasta challenge videos around doing high ticket offer promotions from the Chrome extensions if you start early, because we know that the Chrome extensions can rank really well without backlinks for competitive keywords, just because it's a Chrome Web Store page and Google likes to rank its own properties. Okay, so that's it for now. If you got any value from this video, please subscribe, like the video as well, and thank you for watching.